Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Sudeep and today I am going to share with you 5 points which will help you to speed up your process of achieving mental freedom. So let's get started. As always, let's start with the definition of mental freedom. What is mental freedom? Mental freedom is a state in which a person is able to detach themselves from the external labels and is able to make decisions independently without allowing the external forces to affect their decisions. So, these are the 5 points which you should keep in mind if you are seeking mental freedom. Number 1, go along with your longing to be limitless. Each and every one of us have set different limits in every field of life, which decides what we can and what we cannot. But please do not make the mistake of thinking that these limits were set by you. No, these limits were handed over to you by the people in your surrounding, and you have accepted it by mistake blindly without evaluating it. So, if you want to achieve mental freedom, then it is time to get rid of all these limitations. Number 2, you can only be as free as you are willing to be truthful about yourself. We all know this fact that most people keep running away from themselves. But have you ever thought why they do this? Let me tell it to you today. Most people get scared when they think about the outcome of a future situation. But remember the fact that they are not actually afraid of the outcome of the situation. They are afraid of their own thoughts regarding the outcome of their situation. So, this clearly means that they are afraid of their own thoughts. So, is this not a thing to be worried about? Mental freedom will only come when you have mental clarity and you know exactly what you want. Number 3, mental freedom is strictly an inside job. Most people think that if they change their location, their home, or their surrounding, things will change. But no, it will not change. Why? Because you are still carrying the same brain to everywhere. And the same thoughts, the scary thoughts, and everything will start haunting you after the initial pleasure of the new location is over. So it is time to accept the fact that you need to bring a change from inside, and no external force can actually bring that change for you. Number 4, mental strength takes no strength. It only takes the willingness to see the need for it. Most people live in a closed box with a limited life with all their fears and insecurity, which they think is their safe haven. But actually, it's not. It is like living in a house made of thin glass. You don't need an external force to break the glass. Sometimes a mistake by yourself can break your own house made of thin glass. So be careful if you are living a life in this way. Number 5, once you identify the problem, you know the solution. It's over. So, what is the point that I'm trying to make? Well, the point is, most of us have accepted the wrong definition of normal. Whenever we see something that is not right, we immediately start looking for other evidence and who else is in this situation so that we can feel comfortable and tag it as normal. Because identifying a problem and trying to change it takes a lot of mental effort and strength, and this is a point where we don't want to spend our energy. But if we continue doing this, we are never going to achieve mental freedom. We have to get rid of this quality immediately, and we need to identify the problem that is our real target. So please follow these 5 points and it will really help you to achieve mental freedom faster. To conclude this video, I would like to share a golden statement. Fear is and always has been nothing but a self-limiting reaction that we cling to in the darkness of our present life level, having mistaken it for a shield of self-protection. So that is all for today, and I hope this video helped you in getting 1% better. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you get notified whenever I release new videos every week. Thank you and have a great day. Goodbye.